Tell me now, naughty or not? Hi, Mama. Am I a good boy? Yes, you are a good boy. Because he's working his homework. Am I a sweet girl? Yes, sometimes you are a sweet girl, but sometimes because she broke a cup. Is he a bad boy? Yes, sometimes he is a bad boy because he plays his toys. Is she a naughty girl? Sometimes she is very naughty because she is doing dangerous behavior. Is he a quiet boy? He likes nose. Oh my god. He suppose he's a Superman. You are the best. You are the best too. Yes, our mothers and fathers always best for us.